what? Don't know. I don't know. What the hell? Computer side is getting faster somehow. Testing microphone. Here we go. So welcome back to Marsaction 2 on the third live stream over the PC out there. So it's kind of not new anymore for me, but weird because how can I say it? You see that what I'm best one right now. You know, you see right now what I'm doing before I do normally a live stream or just starting up a live stream. So just all the times I'm setting up these live streams. Here it already set it up, but you need to get the playlists. These are the playlists normally I have and stuff like this, and starting up sometimes new, but mostly actually Car X what I'm dealing down. I just want to do actually afternoon because right now the sun is so glowing in. I just stand up here right now, some more combat. Just do the Will Ferrell best of, beat off, best of. Here we go. And one of these was actually the Trolls Month. Okay, there's something else. Plus PlayStation Classics. 3 other games came out actually on me. I just was trying out. It's this wow, Dino Crisis, right? And then these old game, wow, not restricted, Resistance. Here we go, Resistance Resurrection on PSP. I never played. And here I played a little bit Lies of P. Loved the game, just platinized already. Shizlig is actually for games I playing. I don't have a playlist because I maybe hate that games or I don't want to continue these games, or it's just actually not that type. I thought actually games, Facebook upload stuff actually, kind of Facebook stuff uploading. You know, I just sometimes for a couple of 15 years ago, I just started by Facebook uploading videos. I didn't do that on YouTube because of content stuff, but Facebook, no problem. So right now, actually, some videos are non-content anymore or something, so uploading, and that's why it's listed here. Jennifer Light, 2 times actually platinized this year. Empire Survivor still on, a lot of trophies there, and blah blah blah, and going on. And so yeah, there we go. So this is actually what I'm doing before. Well, already the live stream is running, and actually you're asking what the hell he's doing the first 5 minutes all the times. And so this is actually the point what I'm doing in here. And yeah, some tags. Oh, there's no tags. There's no tags. Huh? Huh? What's going on here? Huh? That's weird. Hold on. Tags. Here we go. Info. Okay. Wow, there are no tags on. It's no wonder live streams is not getting watched or something. There we go. For all the times when the how's it calling, these live streams I just did, these 3 live streams are lower actually watched as the normal videos I just doing actually over the Bluestacks. On the side you can record and stuff and then uploading that actually on YouTube. So yeah. 21 was that? Future. Maybe then in 2154. Alright, done. Oh, not correct. Yeah, here we go, pictures in there. OBS makes a great job actually. Until the tags, don't know why, but God thanks, watched you right now. Right, that's it. So, yeah. Go to my own live stream, actually check it out for sometimes. Because I'm not trusting OBS, sometimes they're saying, okay, Stream auswählen, Stream auszuwählen. Was ist it? What the hell's going on in here? Today something's not working, I think. It's on 9.4, normally it's on 6. Alright, here we go. Close to 5 minutes. So let's keep on moving down. Just give me actually 1.5 to 2 hours. There's actually some construction work, or maybe the last time this year we see each other, and so I want to come over then. This is the Bluestacks 10. Actually, I don't need. I don't know why it's normally this one in here. There you can record on Bluestacks, right? Well, ah. Too fast, get away, yes. I pressed 3 times F1. And on that side actually you can record. It's actually the Bluestacks player 5 or something. The other 10 just popped up, don't know. So yeah. There we go, alright. Yesterday I was actually on the construction side. We just, in the morning time I just was playing that Marsaction 2 because I didn't know if I can in this 24 hours came again. So I go then to work. Then I was finished on with the construction work at concreting the industrial plate by 120 cubic. Was waiting actually good 3 hours actually then here at home. I played actually again Marsaction 2. And then I was going to the same construction area again and smoothing actually the concrete with another guy actually. And yeah, he needed help, so better say in the springtime this year or something. Was it July? No, then was summertime. Then we did the same actually, a little bit bigger. So yeah, now we finished on in this industry area there for this year. So yeah, I came late home. It was kind of 11 o'clock or something then, PM. And so I played the third time and then uploaded a 26-minute video. That's crazy. So free time actually yesterday I helped, better say my Aliance, right? So as I was normally bring in, that I just not be there Wednesday then. And yeah. Better say Tuesday, I'm sorry. Tuesday I'm not there. And Wednesday maybe barely I'm there. But here we go, I'm in just actually kind of 28 hours already I played a PlayStation 4 game, Fist. I already save visited in advanced mode and uploaded it. So yeah, just in 20 minutes to give actually the life bar instead of 120, 66,666 and the money 666,666. I like that stuff. And the stamina the same. It's a starter save because that's a game on PlayStation 4. If you're premium member in the PlayStation network, then you can sometimes you get in the catalog actually some games, right? And Fist is right now for me the attractive one. The other one are childish games, and so I downloaded it instantly and I played it a bit and found out, hey, cool, to less life and stuff like that on normal mode. Let's see what the advanced mode actually doing. All right. Yeah, fire me a cigarette up. Sorry. It's not. And then just opened up my first beer today. Yesterday was 4 beers, 2 colas from Amazon, and ISO drink. But what happened with the ISO drink? Oh my god! I was drinking it up. That was the first hour on the concrete smoothing, right? And then I was going to that guy actually that I worked for, and they're saying, "I need to go to the toilet. I think there's something fluid coming out, liquid coming out." So yeah. So I set it down there and just saw a picture actually from the industrial building there. It's just in the toilet, how to not shit or leaving the toilets. And oh my god, there was sprinkle shit actually everywhere on the toilet, and it just make the picture and just hanging around. Please clean up the toilet and not let it look like this, you know. And what the hell? That was so disgusting. As seriously, some region diarrhea explosion or something was soiling actually in the toilet, and oh, crack, man. Yeah, well, where was I? Yeah, well, don't know. By the drinking beer, right? Yeah, that was all. I just drank. Trying to fix on my mountain cycle actually these spring and better say the rebound, but how more air you get into the little compressor there with the spring in there, it's not working. I'm too fat. 250 pounds, you're just too weighty and fat. Tschüss, hab kein Peiner, Stolz, ich soll Gott, bloß in der Edition geschaut. Jetzt wird wieder auf Deutsch geredet. Ja, der muss ja mal wieder sein, oder? And look at that, we can actually press in here. He's speaking English again. What a mother tucker. What's cool in here, I see actually everything smooth here and so cool. So as you see already, yesterday just level 14 here. There's level 14 on my... it's coming up. Level 14 in here. Just get away, you little seeks. It's actually level 14. It should be actually 14 as well. Good. Finally, I upgraded these one and these one. It was actually a disaster to using jewels. Just too penetrating. Hold on, I got music in my ear actually to let it run. Totally forgot. Here we go. Huh. Totally forgot that I get the earplugs in. You see that? Can't speak dialectly actually English. I need a beer. So cheers auf Japan, Scheiße, die so called Prostitution Stream, and let's keep on moving in here. Self-explaining, harvesting, scouting, and all this stuff. Thank you very much for watching. Deine Invasion wurde geräumt. Invasion cleaned up. Ready to go. What's that? Verlege die Basis in das Territorium deiner Allianz für einen tollen Bonus. Was soll die Scheiße? Sind die umgezogen oder was? What happened? Kann nur auf der Karte verwendet werden. Why he's doing that to me? Wow, look at that! How many members right now? Hold on. Holy shit! Holy shit! And these are actually the guys that know how to play this game, right? You see that on 11, 11, 10, 7, 8. Okay. I started up actually at 7 as I created actually Aliance. So that is my Aliance. But there are actually more outside the map. Some of oh man, I was top 7 yesterday twice, then 8 at the third time, and then I think I was 20 then. Oh my god, no, I'm third. No way. Oh, this is a strategy vision. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. No fucking way. Herzlichen Glückwunsch an die Top 3 Allianz der mächtigsten strategischen Orte gewonnen haben. I'm shocked. I was not there. I know actually Strohhut just asked everyone to go in this place in here, and I didn't was getting in there because I was at work yesterday at night. Oh my gosh. Nice. So sometimes, or not more actually, sometimes making a kind of actually commercial for us. Strohhut, gleich auch noch. As you see actually, there was 30 and then 32 and how that jumped up and that instantly in 9 hours. 17 here, 28. So the rushing actually is my Aliance actually DefNation is Russian. Let's watch them. What's going on there? Wow. These are criminal, but these got actually these kind of paid versions. I don't have these paid versions, so that's why 1.7. I tried actually to overjump all the times with these two guys actually, Nikos and Nadma. Yeah, kind of the fight force. In the end I lost actually against him and now completely against them. And he's raping me off as well, Strohhut. Crack. $33, okay. Actually nothing changed. But some people's actually just online here, and after 24 hours I can't change that. They get deleted on the Aliance. Sorry for that. Myself, when I'm not online the last 48 hours, actually Nikos get actually my chairman, so I have to watch out. I don't want to lose my, because I am the founder actually of this Aliance, right? So, but if you're not once online actually in 48 hours as chairman, you're losing your, yeah, your Aliance membership. And if you just as R4, it's I think the same, 48 hours. But down below actually R3 to R1, if you're 24 hours not online, you get actually raped off. And I can't do something about it. It's just the system itself, the game itself is just doing that. Just trying actually to find out in here if I can just make that out a little bit different, you know. Can actually the chairman maybe for 1 week is not there, then you get actually overjumped by the R4 members. R4 members actually may getting a 3 days, and actually the other one 2 days instead of 1 day, because sometimes 24 hours are lousy. If you're just ill or just actually away for a day or something and you totally forgot actually to play this game, you can rape the way. But normally you can go back, right? I hope so. I hope. Before I even started, I need to help. Okay, weird. Oh, who's our team? Okay. Into their areas. Oh. Oh. We already won some. Oh, wow. Crazy. Thank you very much, guys. Normally they're speaking, right? Sterbt du es, kannst du die Stadt irgendwann so oft wie möglich anschauen, bis du verursachten Schaden sammeln und die Belohnung zu erhalten. Oh, they already tried. Look at that, they got 9,000, 5,000. I think I'm not even getting 3,000. So let's try it once. And yesterday at 24 o'clock or 23 o'clock I just upgraded my union here. So let's check them out. Strongest one. Right. Yeah, that's always difficult here. He's healing, right? He's attacking. I'm not sure. Wait. He got,
Are you questioning me? How about I pluck your head
78.
off?
All UAVs
87.
are in position.
Okay. You already got... That was a fucked up stuff. I tried actually to do only the S4, and by some accident I just forced forward an S5 on the max. So... crack. I thought, what's going on? S4? Why S5? Did I overjump something? I was in hurry up and just speed up actually with the time. Hold on a second, something's coming in. We're out. So, well, I did actually great, but wrong. Tried actually only to go to the S4, but now we get an S5. Okay, we got actually a 554. Let's see how far we came. I say a 3 or 4K, but not more. Alright, let's check out the other messages. Ares Arena. Yesterday I did actually rank 21 instead of 7 or 8 then. Oh well, something, right? So we did actually yesterday. I didn't was there in that time. Sorry for that. That was actually in the morning time. I was sleeping after the 14 hours workday. So I didn't was there. So we have actually right now a pavilion as well. Wonder pavilion or something then. I just changed right now into German again. Because I think most actually the people they're watching here on YouTube then maybe this kind of want to see that in German. More smart. 34. Ah, that was for 2 days, right? Yeah, actually for 2 days, kind of. Ah, I still got that one. Another 350 by ranking up. Du hast im Raum 58 ein Event erreicht, das sie damit rankriegen und vergessen den Stoff zu nehmen. Okay, crazy. Marvelous! Your aliens reached place or rank 3 in an event, strategy division. Ah, crack, hold on. The right hand of my bosses are just connecting me here right now by WhatsApp. Sauber machen und noch Spachteln machen wir noch heute. Oh mein Gott, echt jetzt? Sauber machen und nachspachteln macht Werner heute. Ich wünsche dir schöne Feiertage. Okay. Wow. Let's see. Eventuell treffen sich Werner und Markus. Go. Wow. Mein Arbeitskollege spachtelt jetzt heute für mich. Er macht sauber und spachtelt für mich. Warum das denn? Ist ihm so langweilig. Anscheinend hat es nicht viel gegeben. Ich habe mir jetzt nicht unbedingt gestern Mühe gegeben abzukratzen, weil jedes Mal dann sind über die Steinbröckel auf gut Deutsch dann in meinen Schleifbereich dann reingekommen und ich wollte dann nicht dann nochmal drüber kratzen, jeder Stein raussuchen. Aber lass es so, wie es ist. Lieber spachtel ich nach. Das tue ich mich dann viel einfacher. Okay. Tja, dann haben wir heute frei. Aber ich weiß jetzt noch nicht, ob ich trotz alledem um Mittag rum dann die Arbeitskollegen nochmal besuche im Hof drin. So, look at this. Okay. 648 at the event. That was close, dude. That was fucking close. That's crazy. Greasing the junior. Grazing the junior. Oh, I was on it. Okay, because maybe these you can actually auto how's it called? Auto raiding actually. That means if you're not actually online for the next 8 hours, it's auto raiding. And if you have, how I can tell, if you just have some ammunition still in your amount, in your inventory, then it goes actually auto raiding with each other, with the Alliance together, even if you're not online. if you're out of ammunition actually for your captain, then you can't actually go with him. So, I already was. That's cool. So that was automatic actually. Oh no, hold on. That was actually what we did right now. Oh, what did I? 3.9. Oh, god damn it, I'm a loser. Alright, we will check it out. Alliance Marker wird gegeben. Vor 2 Tagen, das war ich, okay. Das war Strohhut. That we just did actually. So this is now our place as well. Didn't it say actually level 2? Maybe it's a new one here. There was another one who just gave that. Gute Neuigkeiten der Allianz hat und unten stehen stark das Hauptsitz der Allianz festgelegt. Verlege deine Basis in der Allianz-Territorium und genieße einen robusten Territorium-Bonus. Def7. Ah, here we go. That's the pavilion we just actually cracked on. So, Strohhut ist da, Igel ist da, okay. So, what's going on with these in here? Garnisonierung, reparieren. Can you repair something? You need to repair here something? Ah, okay. So I need to go over there? Seriously? That's crazy. It's gonna say where that is. I mean, how to do it? Automatical. Can't even move here left or right. No, 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 no. Crack, that's so complicated. How they just did that? I'm confused, I can't do that. Or can I? Hold on. Teleport. Ah, here we go. There we go. Alright. Did I? No? Modern Handle. Teleportkolonne der Basis. Schicke eine Teleportkolonne der Basis, um eine Befehlslage und Maschinen zu bauen. Wenn der aufgeschlossen ist, kannst du deine Basis an den Ort verlegen. Schicke eine Teleportkolonne der Basis. Oh Gott, ist das kompliziert schon wieder. Ich habe das seit einer Woche angefangen hier. Ich kenne mich einfach nicht aus. Machen wir erst mal das hier. Hier rein. Wegen. Go. What's it doing? Oh, that's complicated. I don't know what that means. Seriously. That's just too complicated. I'm out of that stuff. Not right now in the live stream. I mean, Phew. Interesting. Oh yeah. Wow, he's gone. He was actually very good. He's this 24-hour stuff. Crack. Alter, ich muss mit Stroh reden. Ich habe keine Ahnung, wie das funktioniert. Dass ich meine ganze Basis darüber verlege. Wir sind hier mitten im Nirgendwo. Da ist unser alter Platz. Da ist unser kompletter alter Platz. just crazy. Was machen wir jetzt mit dem? Kann ich jetzt einfach hier stehen lassen, oder wie? So they can delete it actually as well, the R4 members, but they didn't. From now on, actually so many people actually around here, right? You, that guy. Not more. This is confusing me. Normalerweise spiele ich solche Spiele gleich mal überhaupt nicht. Oh, er hat es gesehen. Okay. Yes, we got here new. Come on. Why is that not working here? Oh yeah, okay. I know why. Ach, what the hell. Wird nicht mein Tag anscheinend. Now we can do it. Here we go. Takes then 8 hours, okay. My biggest problem is right now, when we have a fight, and I'm inviting someone, they have to go from so far away. That's bullcrap. I think I have to do that, destroying the center of the Alliance and building up a new one. Here we go. Normally I tried to go to the S4, I just upgraded actually to S5 as well, by an accident. Oh well, that's cool. How are we doing so far in here? Alright. Why that? Oh, let me make manually, please. 3 hours, here we go. That's it. Okay, max. I don't know why this is all the times coming up. Sofortige Wiederbelebung. Im Besitz. There's nothing. Dechiffering. Deciphering. Is another one coming up, or what is it? I need actually 3 of them, then I can make a new one there. Ah, here we go. To reach actually your home base. Ah, no, it's actually calling different, right? Not the hub, I just always saying. Battleship? No, actually it's not. I just only call it hub or base actually. To level 12, but we got already level 14. Look what we got already in here as well. We got actually one strategical side anyway. I just beamed myself actually over there to that checkpoint. So it's actually in the next day and 14 hours. So we get these here for sure. Level 15 with a Hirschwurm. Oh, I don't know about level 15. We did a 5er, but not a 15. Shit. Alright, that's the next one then. We already got that for save. Cool. Coming up in the next 2, 3, 4 or 5 days. Okay. Already saved up this one. Daily stuff. 60 frames per second, eh? It's a 0. Oh, can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. It's a 0 here. And it's going and going and going. A 1 frame? Oh gosh. We already get actually free presents here. Cool. So let us Is that noise in the background? And why is the music looping actually on Spotify? Nah. So where was we actually? Deleting messages in here. Alright. Job's done for that. So yeah, that was actually... all the people calling generals already, they should actually change the name. And he was saying that actually for a couple of days. For 2 days. And that's why I did actually on these Aliance, I try actually to do getting the members. Kind of these one of the best, and better say actually on the R4, these a lot in here actually. Then on R3 actually the same. There's a lot in here as well. Okay, he was actually on a day ago, but doesn't matter for that. He should actually hurry up. Was actually that day very good. Kept it up for 300 or 400 in the fight force to 894. Now he's gone for a day. Maybe he get deleted, or maybe not. I'm not sure. R3 maybe have 2 days or 1 day. These R2 actually are normally only for generals that just renamed themselves from generals to this name they want to get. And then I just get these generals actually in here, get it to the R1, but actually Strohhood or one of the R4s actually get them back because the power and how much actually they involved in the gaming. So are these people's actually, because the fight force, or actually not anymore on since 2 days. So it's not 24 hours, it's 48 hours. If you're not there, then you get deleted. So these guys actually get deleted in the next hours by the system. So the chairman then have 4 days or something, and 3 days actually for the R4 and R3, I think. Something like that. Kazukete, help out. So what can I send then? That's the weird stuff. I don't know about these actually man plays in here. I don't get it. I need to read some stuff actually in the net. How's that working, for what that is. I don't know. It's a little confusing here. Says the chairman of the Aliance DefNation. I think in 2 days we need a fight again, right? We need actually something in here. Die Festung kann nicht verstärkt werden, da unter der Schutz steht. I think we're fighting against actually other alliances for that place in here, so... You lost me for that, you know. I don't know what's going on here. It's now the 7th week actually, 7th day of playing this game then. Okay. I'm not buying something here in the game, as actually the R4 and R3 sometimes doing. I use just a VIP shop actually, get actually for jewels something in here, like this one in here, to pimp up actually my heroes. Because we get a lot of jewels actually the next minute, or next 10 minutes. These I don't know all the times. Maybe later. 90, here we go. Hold on. There's a lot of time showing up here. That's because this one. Alright. How are you doing about it? Okay, still 4 days left. 1,830. I'm actually want to do another one in here. So we need to fight in the areas or something fight station there. Hold on. There's one there. Ares arena. 37 from yesterday. But look at that. Going more and more into it. Oh, he already beat him. He came actually very far the last days. He was actually by 600 or something, now a million. Where he was already by 700 or 800. Now they changed. Oh. Let's do one fight. Oh my god, it's against one of my... No. I learned about that one, not against actually my own Aliance member. Because he losing them points and I gain no points. This is bullshit. No. Not my thing. Here we go again. Damn it! There's one. Check out actually the stars over there, the skills as well. Alright. This is actually 50-50, even actually... Look at me at 590k and 381k. If you're looking actually the... Yeah, it's just the stars or something. So even not the skills. What the hell. Let's see what happened here. Nothing. Okay. It's actually the healer. Let's try. If you're losing, I'm not actually angry for that. Yeah, 3 times on the action here, on the time action. We gotta say forward stuff. Multiplication time. Oh my god, that was very close. Not really. Instant 30 places up. No, level 24. Rank 24. Still actually fighting the background because the multiplicator on time on 3. Gosh. How long I am in here in the game now, a week now. They know actually who I am, and that's not good. I hate stuff like that. And normally we should win, right? There's even a 1 star in here, 1 star on the plus. Shall win? Shall win. Shall. Boom, dad. Another's dad. Myself's dad. Wow. Another 6 plays to 18, okay. We should stop right now. Because I just wanna upgrade my heroes. Sorry about my English. My English is very raw and bad. Since 2008 I started up to learn myself actually English, right? And the minus is that the PlayStation 4 since 2013 I barely speak then English, and Japanese I totally lost in at that time until 2015. So PlayStation 4 is very bad actually to have communications with other persons in the party chat, and because PlayStation 4 never gave me actually friendships, they just coming on me on DefRekka account, DjVolgin account, Anniversity Auto account, DefNation CD account, and so on. Actually, PlayStation 3 was perfect. It's kind of a voice chat talking, video chat talking. It was awesome and funny as hell, and I learned a lot of English by drinking a lot of beer and having fun over the video chat on the PlayStation 3. Somebody just mow his grass or something in the background, show the camera actually in his garden. The other guy actually, well, other 2 guys actually smoking a little bit, you know, you know, blondes or something. You know what I'm talking about. We. And the other one was talking all the times over America and stuff like that. What the hell? I don't know. But this time Ejay actually is over. Since 2013 I bought me actually the first PlayStation 4. God damn it.
I may forgive, but I never forget.
At the beginning is always a girl voice. So I don't know what's going on here. Buy another one, buy here, there, and load up, and even with this stuff, when I'm loading up, buy, here not a buy, load up for that, buying, that's why I'm not buying stuff like in here, it's going crazy. Another one, yeah, it's still there, annoying, and another one, buy, oh god, shut up with this stuff, right? I don't want. Back to the base. Every 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes. So first up. Siggy! Let's have a flight. Over our base. And he's done. It's like to have a walkie with a dog. But he's not actually making this plastic bags in black actually refilling or something, you know, with poo-poo, with do the butter. Alright, let's do it once. Oh, shall we twice? Alright, let's do it twice. There we go. I don't have hyper cores. Oh, 13, okay, I thought actually 14 on level 14, I just upgraded that yesterday in the afternoon. Or midnight, better say. And mostly actually, if you're coming back after 6 hours, you lost some workers, you're under the attack actually, under the insects. The Mars insects. Or yeah. Can't upgrade this one anymore. These are actually very fine as for building up actually your max. The speed of max, better say. So let's do one of these. Now it's an hour. Okay. Oh, we need mostly actually corn or alloy. Let's do one of these. To upgrade everything. Upgrade for the upgrade. He's actually making it 40 hours. How more alloys that you get. These are coming actually from later on, actually kind of the campaign or something I can talk about. But it's all auto actually refilling because your ship is flying over the Mars and just collecting actually these things. Kind of CPUs actually to upgrade, yeah, well, the inner place of the alloy for Furnage, something like that. There we go. So we're done with these. Let's open up for us as well. Nothing. Okay, still running everything. Jamming a bit. Oh, here we go. That was yesterday actually. At midnight. Just sent them out actually for these alloy sites. You can get actually some alloy harvesting. So I completely stole everything from that harvest side, the yellow side. 37 kilometers away. 37 kilometers. Are you crazy, dude? Maybe going together actually for a fight like it is actually more than 28 members actually need to go arriving at 78 kilometers. That takes more than actually a day. Oh, that was a mistake actually I did. Oh, I can collect what? What can I collect? Oh, okay, normal actually. Collect them. Over there then, the fun. Oh, that's sick. Now the most of Aliance members are so far away. That's not good. Let's see how long it takes. 24 minutes, okay. 25 minutes actually. Okay. So I'm gone so far away. Ship course I think for CB, can it be? Good Morgan. What happened here? Is that right now? Ah, okay. Lost memories. Netherlands.
Mars will be our second home.
Here we go. These are actually what I talked about before, the abomination on the captain. When it becomes actually to a fight with the Aliance members against actually a bigger monster or titan. Or actually you fighting against some, what's it called, swarm hordes or something. Gosh. Then you actually, hold on, I need some cigarettes, but these cigarettes are getting off all the times. These filtered cigarettes I bought because there was not the filterless cigarettes. But these are just not my type. Hurts actually in my throat to rip off the filter all the time and smoke them like normal filterless cigarettes. But the original filterless cigarettes are the better one. But the aim right now for an €8.10. I started up the smoking them actually by €3.20. As I was actually kind of 19 years old. Now I'm 37 years old. I was going to say 38 years old. There was actually a construction worker on our side on the compound, but the same company for a couple of 4 or 5 years ago. Say good 5 years now. And he is actually close to a year older than me, and all the times was I don't know, brand marking this in my brain. So if I say 37 or 38, I mean actually 37, because I know actually Stefan is actually 38 already. Next year in March I get 38 then, yeah. Sometimes I'm thinking all the times it's 2025 and since actually April or something. Must be some brain damage on me or something. I hate these one, I don't know what's going on with these. Should it be? Let's upgrade him a bit. Herb. So let's see about the heroes. Nobody needs help, okay. And this is actually what I'm talking about, this kind of fight ship of the captain flying around, trying actually to do kind of campaign mode or something in here. I don't know really what that is. And these are actually optional actually for your building up your corn, alloy, gas and all this stuff to give them per hour actually a little bit more in your inventory. So for the upgrades you need one. As you see it collected by itself. It's already full. He's going for the experience actually, 95k actually experience for the heroes. guys to see actually how I grow up right now. I don't know how that works here with level 11.2. I mean, 112 to 113. How that is even going? I don't know how this is going. I really don't know. I have level 20 or 21 with the captain. I have the bases on level 14. Maybe it's kind of... maybe the days, the hours? I don't know how that grown up, these levels. Let's see. Maybe for all the 7 hours? Okay, let's guess. ER, calculator. Some programming. 7 days, 24 hours. Oh, that's actually level 24 then. It's not working. I really do not get it about this, how to level up in here. Maybe there's a multiplication stuff. I don't know. I don't know. I'm really lonely right now. One watcher. Well, I'm talking so much then. Somebody just wrong. Ring. Somebody can help. Here we go. It's 10:55 in here. Ich glaube, da werden wir uns auch wieder Knopf verfehlen. Wachstumsaufgabe. Mein Hals tut schon weh vom ganzen Gequatsche. Ja, wie lange sind wir schon online? Knapp eine Stunde. Und ich quatsche hier alles zu. Wahnsinn. Ich könnte mal schnell auf Toilette gehen, ja. Ich muss mal groß. Oh, this is crazy right now. 90, kind of 105. So 505 or something, I guess, here right now, right? Some kind of. So 1,000, blah 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 5 or something, I get. Actually on the jewels. I collected them actually over 2 days right now. As well as these. Never really need it, because there's something else. They can actually attack your base. Everybody else. Not your Alliance members, but from the other Alliances. They just hunt you, and already they know where my base is. Not maybe right now anymore. But then they attacking you and robbing you, and maybe up there you see the corn, actually the power, the crystals, the alloy, the gas. But this are not actually get collected, I think. Maybe a little jewels or something, but I'm not sure about these one. But may of 50% maximum actually can be get reaped off, harvest actually off on your base if they got attacked actually from another Alliance member. So that's why I keep it actually in my little the resource, I mean, in my inventory to refill them. Maybe I just get robbed or something. So that's my plan. Some alloy. Another one for the inventory, of course, not in here. I think I time limited or something for some chests. There's another boost was coming in, okay. I sometimes are using boosts, but you know, you don't see the effort for that. You really maybe being alone and not actually in an alliance, then it's okay. So guys, I need to go to the toilet. Be right back. Oh, here we go. Build up a bit. Let's use these one again. A 510 of these max, right? And cost just... On 510 max, you just got these one. Only needed. Think about it, what the hell. Normally a 510 multiplicated with these, right? To build up actually these one of these max. So I'll be right back. Need to go to the toilet. That's a bit unrealistic. Technology on Mars at 2154. Hold on a sec. That'll do the butter. Wanna go back to your live stream? Of course. Cleaning your hands first. Seriously? Maybe 5 times I do that twice or something. No. Tadaimasu, by the way. Alright. As I just was saying actually before, 510 max actually on the S5 Titan Ultra. You're just kind of using only these kind of resources. Not multiplicated by 510. Just these resources for 510 max you need. What the hell? It's a bit unrealistic. So we can already go forward with the time for the next 75 minutes. Let's do it. See what's coming out of it. I even aiming actually for a little force for that. I don't know why. Dauer der Beschleunigung. Oh, it was a 415 minutes. Crazy. That's a lot. Level 14 here already. Do the other one in here. First. This is actually what I'm talked about before. On kind of these captainship. You're earning these. Automatical or by fighting actually in the campaign. And then you're seeing actually over here how many you're producing plus extra with these. So these are the Funages. You just can upgrade them sidewisely by an extra points, or actually by upgrading it to another actually, yeah. Don't know how I can talk about these one resources actually in an hour stuff. But these actually kind of an extra plus to make every machinery or furniture actually upgrading as well. By these are just get upgraded actually by the upgrade, but these are actually extra upgrades for in an hour some resources more. How the money working? How you can actually buy them actually with money as well, or you know, this is crazy. So everything here in the game, of course, wants money, seeing money, but I don't want to give them actually money, so I'm choosing. That's why I'm sometimes 2 hours in here instead of 5 minutes actually in a day, and paying actually for all these stuff. Right, upgraded. Another upgrade here for free, right? Let's do actually some clinic. But the Blitz bomber actually did a little time. So let's see if we can fasten that up a bit. 6 hours and 5. 4 hours 15. Okay, let's do it. So what's actually next for level 15 in our spaceship? What we need to do? So Rob capsule, chamber of resurrect or something. Okay, let's go over there. What it needs actually to make this possible? Nothing. You can already do it. Okay. Or just do it right now. Nah, we just make it this one up in here, but I can't right now. There's actually 2 bases already on it. So we need to go with the old S3 then again. Poorly, I thought actually the S3 can go to the S4, but as you see the car models are not fitting together. If you just build it up actually kind of these Blitz bombers and you have then S6, you can upgrade them to S6 then. So S1 to S3, but these are newer models, so if you want to have actually the D15 actually, you can't do it with the S6 to the S7 then. So that's okay. That's realistic somehow. Comfortable somehow. It's so weird, right? You can't transform actually so many transport max or something actually into a newer model. I mean, when it's the same model and you just kind of getting a new radio system in it or something, or new flag system on it, okay. But not the form and the chassis and all this stuff, you know. This is bullshit. I'm always forgetting that I don't have a cape on. And always my headset is dropping on my nose. Crack. Yeah, today I'm acting like an incognito account here.
Home.
That means I'll be there, but I'm not wishing somebody good morning because I'm away maybe in the next hour as well. And that's it today, actually for today. As a chairman, right? As the Aliance chairman. Or member, not saying actually good morning. What an asshole this guy is, right? Sorry. No, what's online? General, I don't know who it is. You also can see the ranks actually, what's going on in here. Who did the most. So this guy actually already was today online. Very much. Yeah, yesterday he did 200 more instead of I just was 14 hours actually in the work. Congratulations. I don't know how he did that all the times. He's fighting against other mechs. I know this is my Aliance and some guys actually being rude or something to other Alliances. Alliances, ha ha ha, he he he, lol, cringe, better say. So, this guy actually killing other mechs or generals, so I don't like that, because these are attracting to my Alliances and they will not fight actually against our Alliance later, earlier or later then, so I don't like that, you know. He's actually a good guy, so let's see, when we have the first fight, I will talk to him twice actually, because actually there's something else I need to talk about the pavilion stuff. Oh, I just overgo right now, not my, okay. But come close actually to 1.7 on, no. DRSS, I don't know how to deal that. In the beginning I just did that before I was creating an Alliance the third day on this gaming here. I don't know how RSS working again. So, sometimes I'm confused in this game, and I started up, I was good in it, and now I'm a little bit lost again as a chairman, so what the heck? What is it all the time? Yes, we see. Okay. Here we go. So, can I create more on it? Yes, you can. No? Oh. Okay. Normally you can if you have one in the inventory and add on, then it's okay, but for free you can't add more actually. Or gain more on it. That's the maximum already been. What's with these 10 minutes all the times? The last day actually was talking about 2 times 10 minutes and after that actually 70 hours or something. Maybe 3 times actually you can do it in 10 minutes and after that you have to wait then 12 hours or something. How's the upgrade number here is? Oh, that is the resource bunker or something? Oh my god, my English. Just shoot me. What's that again? Okay. Don't have. I don't want to do this one in here right now. Just want to smoke here a little bit and drinking beer and then going to Corex after the midday. Just be there actually the next 40 minutes. So scouting. When I started scouting, then I'm addicted so much into it that I don't want to get away from that. I need right now the scouting actually because we're in a new area right now. That was actually a little mistake. And let's see how many people's actually already arrived here. Only 4. Because this is our new master hub, pavilion stuff. Thanks to Strawhood and not more. Oh, another one in here, okay. But our real area is, you can see that. Get that out of here. No, go out of there. No, where's the map coming? Is it even coming? Ah, there we go. So that was actually my first and last hub. Closer. No. Where's the map going? There we go. There was our older hub. Now actually 72 kilometers away from it. What the fuck? So these are other members actually who didn't decide actually to go to my old hub or checkpoint, or what's it calling? Coordination. Now we have a new coordination. What the hell? So far away. This is actually the R73 map. I scouted actually everything in here already. Oh, no, I need to start up here. Oh well, this so make me depressive. As you see, I already scouted this one in here already. Now I'm gone for that. Maybe not for good. That was my old base. Still actually the members around here. Particularly passes territory. Yeah, I just did. I just already did. So what's the matter? What's the matter? I already did. No, I have it already. But this is some weird stuff. Teleport to Cologne, the base, but actually I need 2 voice teleport. I just want to do actually the complete. Hold on, wait a second. Aliance territory. No, gotta wait. God damn it. Ah, why are you forcing me to do this? Hold on 1 second. I hate to talk all the time nonsense stuff because I don't want to talk over that. There, here we go. Okay, we can't move this. Okay, this is bullshit. So I lost actually 70 kilometers away actually from it. My Aliance hub, better say. It's actually the captain's hub. My gosh, what Strohut did. Not sure if that was right. Alright, let's build up actually the heroes a little bit. But first we want to see if we just get actually some coins. Get some upgrades. What's that calling? Oh. 1 sec. Yeah, I don't know how they call it. Wonderful. There's no information. Okay, recruit then. Kind of a sorcerer engine or something to do that. From the space hub actually into that coordination to yourself, actually sending you some parts of actually heroes. Sending some, or warping actually some parts of heroes down to Mars. I repeat again, sending some parts of heroes. Oh my god. I thought they were human heroes, but I think they are more mechs or something. I don't know. Yeah. Scotty, beam me down. Maybe that's... But why sending then weird ships down to rebuild and here? Oh, what the fuck ever. Weird game. Actually, this game is actually only on cell phone. You can have it actually on desktop screen or iOS or wherever you have your... What's it calling? Apple or something. You can download actually Bluestacks. And yeah, from there out you can actually... have most of the mobile phones actually can run over that. Bluestacks in here. Where is it? Actually, here we go. Bluestacks app player on your desktop then. So you can mostly actually all these mobile phones that are maybe get right now fame or something, already fame. Play about it in here. You can... Oh yeah, what I did all the time is recording actually the videos. Can send them to YouTube or... yeah, actually only YouTube. Nico maybe, I don't know. Or other services actually for streaming, and maybe you can upload your videos for maybe later on streaming, talking about it or something I'm not doing then. So yeah, great player. Because on cell phone my finger is actually too fat and the screen is too small. You know, I don't like it to play it there. I just played actually some couple of hours as I was see that on YouTube as a commercial. I was interested in it. Of course, to make a commercial on YouTube in the wrong way all over the wide web. And so I came on the idea to try testing it out, like it was in the commercial video. And it was a completely different, of course, one. So, yeah, here we go, you know. I'm addicted since a week now. Mostly twice or 3 times in a day I'm playing it. Since kind of close to a week actually, my console, my PlayStation 4 didn't do a live stream anymore. Oh my gosh. Normally I do every day a live stream, even if it's in the morning time for just 40 minutes or something on Core XDRO. But after that in here, when I need to get a call then, or just calling some folks, then let's see if I need to go to a compound and be drinking some beers, and then yeah, see us next year then in the compound again. Tomorrow I need to actually filling the woodcut facility, so then maybe after Christmas I need to refill, and then next year again. And the ash actually I need to get empty, maybe next week then. Right, too many people actually saying hello and good morning. Ach, das ist doch bescheuert. Das ist mal wieder typisch bayerisch. Never forget sending it. That sometimes I don't do. I just going out of here, right? And then, oh god, I didn't send it. And you were so actually into that stuff, so beloved to make a message, you know, and you totally forgot actually just sending it. And you, oh crap, then make it short. Some kind. Good morning. What the hell? The daily chests are going seriously very fast up all the times. You're an hour in here, just an hour already. Already 1 hour. Need another 3 keys. Here are the new 3 keys you need. Itch knee. Miggy, hindori, Miggy, scheiß drauf, egal, drauf an. Oh, 10 of these chests? Oh, what kind of a chest are they? Ooh. Are there 10 of them? To have a chance to get these one? Oh, maybe 10 times of these keys, huh? Hey, let's see. Das ist immer so das Gefühl, wenn die Eier zum Kribbeln anfangen und du weißt noch nicht, was kommt. Kommt noch selten bei mir vor. Wirklich noch selten bei mir vor. Bin schon viel zu alt dafür. Aber das interessiert mich jetzt dann doch. Machen wir mal eines erst auf. Another key. Look at that. Let's do another one. Alright, that's a good one. 10 times 5 minutes, or 50 minutes. Alright, that's cool. Ah, the last one for right now. Another 10 times the 5 minutes. Okay. We have enough for the next 5 minutes. I just was trying actually to build up my heroes, so can open up this chest. What is it? Aha. You're joking me. Oh, another one. Already back? Oh my gosh. That was fast. How the sign is. Hey, hold on. I have a question. They're saying up to 3, up to 3, up to 4. What's that meaning? When I'm deleting them or just actually empty them? This is my hub here right now. A Pavilion hub for actually the Aliance. What happened here? They coming back? Are we harvesting all the times here? Or what? When I won this fight against another Aliens, against for having these in 2 days, maybe still having it. Oh, I think I did something bad. But actually these are the last collectors anyway, so let's see. Now it's not there actually for maybe the other Aliens members, but I'm not sure. I'm a bad chairman. I'm a very bad chairman. My information for that game is getting more and more lost because there are too many stuff coming up, and I'm not reading the information for that. Oh, look at that. From yesterday? Would you just get away? Oh, pay actually. These are there and you get more. They already say, don't do it. No, don't do it. Should be actually like in these kind of, if you're speeding too much and there's actually on the sideway some solar panel and makes actually a smiley, or just actually some kind of yeah, adverse face, like you speeding too much into getting into a village or something. So that should be right in here, right? The happy face, a more happy faces in here with googly eyes, with tearing eyes maybe. You didn't buy that already, so you need to do, I don't know. But like the shake in here means for myself, don't buy it. Alright, I don't wanna. Okay. Reloaded actually my ring for my heart frequency and for my blood pressure. Great ring, just for $60. Instead of having a whole machine actually on your arm and working a construction site and destroying it by 200 or 300 euros. Kinda ring is something worth, yeah. I mean, the blood pressure is correct, the heartbeat is correct, the measuring actually around your what's the other one? I think the air or something in your blood. How that even works, I don't know. A long way to go. How many times we have? 2 days. No way. No way. But a 2K? Oh my gosh. No. What's that? A skin? Oh no. There's even a skin for your ship. For your captain's hub. Oh no. A 2 million? How? You lost me already. Rank 23. Of all the aliens, that's right. Aliens. Oh my god. That he's actually playing more than actually a year or something this game already. Where actually I came in 1 week ago, and for a week ago, starting for 3 days, for 4 days actually, my aliens. Oh no, who's that? Normally you should, not more. Okay, these are the rank points, of course. So forget about it. Kraftaufstieg. I'm on my way, but I can't produce more right now in the moment. You have to wait all the time so much. Heroes, okay, we're good in this. This is bullshit. How? I'm already doing it, but it costs a lot of time. Ah, well. I'm not buying something to... Let's go to the heroes, right? I just saying before. So the 5 minutes are over. Guess what we're doing right now? Let's open another chest. Maybe. 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 Here we go. Another chest got opened. Geheime Glücksbringer. Ooh, some resource. A 50 corn, a 30 on these energy cells, and a 20 of the crystal stuff. Alright. Some alloy. $30 alloys, okay. Until the next time. Heroes, yay! Get some experience. Max them out! 2300 XP. I need to calculate that. I can't right now. I don't know. Ah, here we go. It's actually a 91,000 XP. And another 10. And another 90. Oh my gosh. We're grinding. And another 300k. Oh crack. 2 millions. We coming up. So watch these. 1.491,000. Okay. So let's see. Oh, I get surprised. How many XP we have? 622k.
I want to see the faster pace and even faster bullets.
So one for you.
Let it all crash and burn
One for
down to
you.
ashes.
I guarantee there is no way you're gonna
one for
survive
you.
under the
Come on,
bombing
we got
of
a
my...
43.
Let it all crash and burn.
I guarantee...
Fear is your mind. Only when you don't know your enemy.
What's in Germany?
Surviving is the only measure to avoid more bloodshed.
My plier answers to nobody.
So, what have you
Later
heard of
on.
me? My...
Wherever there's victory,
Oh man,
there's
missing
death.
him. He's actually not so bad.
No one can defeat us as long as we stick together.
Just
Basically,
hold
my
on. I
job
need
is
to
to
make a
make
decision by myself here with the overview. Normally I want to have one of these, but I don't get actually something on that. So a 5er maybe I get today. Missing actually him. Need one of them. But somehow randomizing might just gain some points on him. So that's why sometimes I'm waiting actually for upgrading on leveling actually up my heroes. 33, 42, 42, 42, 42, 42, 42.
Wherever there's
Even
victory,
though it's a blue one.
no one can
Okay,
defeat
man.
us as long as we stick together.
Alright. The last point's going to him.
What's left after the war? Nothing.
Strong action here on your neck. For you.
Revolution is rebellion
Nothing
in
for you.
disguise.
Okay.
Boom, boom! Hear the sound of destruction.
Hate when he's saying that. It was my first hero anyway. It's good so far.
I guarantee there is no way you're gonna survive under the bombing of my missiles.
Fear is your mind. Only when you don't know your enemy.
Only you. I listening to music loud. What he did say in the end? Be Germany or live in Germany? I'm sorry, you lost me again. So that's it. Seems to be.
Surviving is the only measure to avoid more bloodshed.
Alright. That's it actually. 1.4. What I did just say before. Okay, we got actually a 1.5 right now. Not much, but well something. See that? There's actually an Aliance chat, right? Everybody just says good morning here, good morning there, and welcome actually to everybody else. Translating? Translating it? Netherlands? Normally I understand. Good morning. Good morning. No. But hey, nice stuff. Some kind of a AI translation. What you want from me? Who was that? It's a core. Dimensions changer. Dimension. Not changer. Dimension translator? I don't know. My English is bad worse. Please hang myself. I mean my English mind. My rotten translating. I think that's it for today. And here we go again. What do you want? Ooh. Who was that? Who just did that? Is that not my old coordinations? What's this? Brutteufels. Well, I can't go there. Pressing, but I can't go there. Von uns ist abgerissen worden. Oh, man. It was Strohhut. Es wurde gerade abgerissen, also er hat sich entschieden, es abzureißen. Jetzt können wir eine neue Gebietsplanung beginnen. Wenn es nicht innerhalb des Allianz gebaut wird. Und Strohhut hat es wieder erbaut. Na wunderbar. He just did actually my job, but I was a little bit confused. Here we go. Oh, look at that. He's even building up actually this brute devil, whatever it is, chamber there. Schreibt bei Strohhut mit einem Haar, dass ich dort einen Fehler begehe. Oder mit 2 Haar. Alright. So our base actually built it up. Nearby actually our pavilion. So people now know where we are and can freely actually join in here again. Get all over here to harvest all these things here as well. That's cool. Oh, what the hell is that? Ah, that's actually some mission. Ah, we did already. Alright, 3.9. Let's see what's coming up right now. Yeah, see, I'm already in here. Maybe we can do a 4. Let's see. Right, 571 already now. Something's missing here. Hold on a second. Actually, she's the strongest. Normally he's the strongest of him, but he's healing. Ah, I was in conflict in here. Need to reach actually the 1st star here. Right, I think that's the maximum.
I swear to God, I will find out the cause of the mutation.
Was hat geschrieben? Wir müssen was weitermachen? Oh, look at that. We have 2 new members. 3 roads. Wir müssen weiter wachsen. Könnte ich jetzt irgendwas draufschreiben, wie soll ich sagen? Ja, es ist halt jetzt nicht so gemeint, aber es ist halt, wenn ich so davon ausgehe, ne? Man könnte ja ewig lang so für 1000 € sich das Spiel ein bisschen aufkaufen Und trotzdem wird's nicht lang. Man müsste weiter wachsen. Okay, ja, ja, schon recht in der Hinsicht. Verstehe schon. Ist jetzt nicht so, aber... Whoa. And they're just gone. Look how Siggy's actually taking his victory walk here. La 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 la. Just going home. To another siffy afternoon or something. Waiting until tomorrow. Getting sober. La 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 la. But I'm so lonely. I'm just the only mech at the base. It interferes actually with my heroes. Did I just did that? So how many... Hold on. Oh? Oh, somebody else trying it out. Oh, I'm second! Wow, look at that! What was it before? A 3.9. Now I have a 7.9. Wow, 4,000 more. Oh, 4,000 more. So it's... Aha, now I got it. Okay, let's do it again. It's just actually adding. I thought that was in one fight actually getting 7.9. So from 3.9 I just did a 4.0 or something, so not much. 0.1 more damage. Bullshit. That's for 655k actually on hero growing points. Look about everybody wants right now fighting here. Right now they're coming over. Okay. That Angel came over here. This general came over here. What's going on here right now? Front actually, maybe the general one JFGR that wants to join DAP7 as well, maybe? Siegen Punkt. Alright. But not for long maybe, because not much, just did it once maybe. That general did it once, so I'm maybe the next 5 minutes actually on rank 1 in our Aliance. But hey, I did something here for myself. Another box! Need to repair actually our max. Oh, crack. Wir müssen weiter wachsen! Meine Intelligenz zu entnehmen, mein Englisch wird nicht weiter wachsen. 136 hat es bei mir auch schon aufgehört. Leider. Endet dann so wie bei Kelly Bundy höchstwahrscheinlich. Sie kriegt was gelernt und dann auf der anderen Seite vom Rohr kommt sie wieder raus. Das Altgelernte. Also Kette. Staccato. Yeah, 4,005 I just did instead of a 3.9. Not much for actually a growing 655,000 XP points to actually my heroes. It's actually not much. How many you need? 6 trillion or something to get maybe aiming here like 100k or something on damage? Or 10k? Yeah. It's like bullshit. That's why I don't like that game anymore somehow. This is not. It's just the growing up stuff, of course, but I don't know. It's taking me too much effort in here. Because I want to play actually some other video games. Because it makes fun to drink, smoke, and not much talking, listening to music. I'm the type of these, you know, dude that plays these games. Alright, we can actually do here something. What I was talking about, it is... Hold on. No, I don't want to do this one. Another minute? 10 minutes? Here we go, there I talked about. So 3 times 10 minutes, you can keep presents, and then it takes actually a weird 6 hour 48. What, actually 7 or 8 hours then? Okay. I think it's about the base. What kind of rank you have in here? Or level up and stuff. So what was it about? Let's see again. I think it was a Chamber of Resurrection. Yeah. 214. Oh my god, 11. That takes a little time. And a lot of alloy, that's my problem. See what's going on in here. Oh, a lot. Okay, we need 2 hours, twice a half hour, and a 5 minutes. There we go. Let's see how many alloy we need again. Oh my gosh. What happened? Oh, alright. The aircraft facility actually need to go to level 13. But I can't right now. Nope. I think that takes forever right now. For another 2 days. That was the first answer actually from one of the Aliance member I just get here in the chat. What the hell? Maybe I didn't actually type that in English or something. No, just joking. I think the most are understanding the English part better than myself. Where's the corn? Already on 12. These are on 11. Just do that on 12 then, please. Herb. There's another one we have for free, right? Yep. Finally up in here. The Astral Chamber. Astral, what's it called? Assassin shots. The Astral Gold Chamber, the Astral Treasure Chamber, here we go. You see, it takes forever in my English. Nothing. Prove the events. Let's prove them. Let's check them out. Aha. We got 1 key. That means to open up another chest now. Yay! Another chest. Another key. Will be there another key? Oh, let's do maximum of 5 and let's see what's coming up. God damn it. Another key. A 30 chest of these. Oh my god. Let's open up actually all these other free keys right now, so we need another 3 keys to open up a chest. 30. Wow, 30 of them. But actually everything seems to be fine here. They're not running out of time here with these chests, I hope. Nope, no time here. For God's sake, what is it? Calendar stuff is coming up. Nothing here. But here we go. Aufbau. What the hell does that mean then? Good, it did something here? No? No. Just kind of buy something or something. Just 590, 100, it takes forever. Sternenbasis. I don't know what that means. Oh, that's the astral shit. Blah 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 blah, whatever, I don't care. Right, mostly that live stream is over here right now. Take a call actually. Going maybe then to the compound and drinking some beers, coming back and making a live stream actually on Car XDRO, sleeping over, and at midnight actually, close to midnight, I'm coming back here to this game. Better say the cell phone game, right? Oh, 60 minutes left. Maybe more actually. Helping hands coming up. Only was 2 of them. So when there are 5 another ones coming, then actually the base is actually, or better say this facility is actually built up. So let's wait actually another 5 minutes. So I just want to take a call then. It's good in here, seems to be. Let's see one of these as well. 4 fights we still have to be done with. Try the 400er. I'm not sure if we can win. 2. Normally I should lose. because I'm not good in this stuff, you know. Sometimes tricky. Actually, it was close. Stop fighting. The fight is over. Because they have these kind of abilities. Some actually of these alliances are fixed how to actually fight these kind of. Look about. There's another member actually of DEF7 to fight here in the Ares arena. Even they have lower fight points. No, I'm getting tired because it's very cold here. Ventilation system is running as well. Look what he got again. We just fight against him? No? No, we didn't. It's gonna be bad, it's gonna be bad. Alright. Doesn't mean that actually heroes in blue, or let's say rare, epic, or the legendary status actually can beat actually some of the other aliens. What the hell was that? He shot after he was dead already? That's tricky, these fights. If you're fighting against maybe rare peoples and you have all in golden, but you don't build them up, you can lose against the blue, against the rare heroes, right? Of the other aliens, yes, you're fighting again. I mean, my English sucks, man. The music is too loud. I hear myself in the back. My brain says, call actually your company friend there. I mean, your construction friend there. God damn it, I too many things in my brain all the time. Fights to go. No. These are too high. These are too much too high. I think I'm losing against them. Shall we try? Let's check them out. Already, you can still cancel it, you know. Alright, a 1, a 37, 39, I'm out of here. But there's a 15 with proof of. No, forget about it. I'm losing this. That's okay. Maybe later on at the midnight, then I have still actually 2 keys left. XP, but I don't want to use it. Maybe then later at midnight. Right, that's it. 13 hours. Yeah, it's actually after midnight. They're having the UTS time or something. So it's right now 11:48, what actually means for other Persians actually it's 10 o'clock 49 or something. It's stupid summer and winter time we got here in Germany. What do you want from me? Then. Get lost! Get lost! Kidoki. Nobody wants to help anyway in here. Nobody wants to help the chairman. Okay. That's the RSS. Anfordern möchtest. Do I can bitte senden. But I can't, es gibt noch keine Bitte für Ressourcen. Ah, so if somebody is actually asking for it and you send them some supplies, that's why actually he is. Hold on. What was it again? That's why these RSS and General 1 JW5N just actually supported someone actually in our alliances with 160 resources. Aha, now I got it. But it's just like somebody asked for it. Couldn't help myself, tried it, couldn't beat. He did nothing. that means actually that was before actually, or the first day on the Aliance. I don't get that anyway. Okay, got a little bit up from him away. Mika's actually, gosh, hell, he's grown up as well. Wow. Are you kidding me? Is that Argentina? Or Israel? No, what's that? What the hell is that? Argentina. Oh, here we go. Israel. Oh, it came to Israel. Argentina. What happened there? Swiss? Belgian? There's a guy from Netherlands. Just left us. Well, we growed up of one member. That's great. Here we go. That was actually what I talked about for 2 days ago. What's coming up the next 2 days. So kind of hello to the new already jammed into membership by the Aliens of DefNation, bound and rise for Marsaction 2 together. Seems to be I was get a lot of free time the last 4 days, but now the construction work strikes again this week. So that was yesterday and for 2 days ago. So yeah, barely time, but actually was a lot actually in it because I even tried it. So yeah, normally can delete this one, but let it just be there. There we go. That helps. Nobody helps the German. I am in a big trouble. Let's just kidding. Whatever. That was cool. Oh, there's something. Jetzt öffnen. Vandal im Nebel. What's that? Bitte beginne die Herausforderung 3 Stunden vor dem Ende des Events. Oh, what happened now? Vandal im Nebel. Oh, alright, let's open up. Bist du sicher, dass du die Herausforderung mit Vandal im Nebel starten willst? Ah, right. No, actually we are under attack then. Countdown für den feindlichen Angriff auf den... Was? Auf den Basis der Allianz? Auf den Basis der Allianz? Was ist das für Deutsch? 1 of 20. You can start it. And how long is it going? So 20 Mal kann man es machen? Jetzt bin ich mal gespannt. Ich glaube, das ist vor meinen Toren dann, oder? Vor jedem seinen Toren. Oh, let's see what's coming up. Oh, we got a new member already now. 35. Here we go. Oh my gosh. What just happened? There we go. Lost memories. Okay, they're getting names. They're getting names coming up. Some of the general is stoned, but well. No, okay. Starting up to give them actually names for accounts. That's cool. What will happen now? It's the first wave of mechs are on its way. 5,000. What base? I thought actually my base. No? Where? Oh, already over. What happened? Just lost actually 11 of firepower. Okay. Glückwunsch, du hast die erste bei dem Kampf-Event im Nebel gewonnen. Mach weiter so. Lass uns den unglaublichen Erfolg feiern. Oh, it's going and going. Okay, so I'm losing. Oh, look at that. 1-5, 1-1, 1-1-5. Making a picture right now. But they're saying actually I'm losing max, right? No, hold on. Okay, I lost actually a couple of max, and I can actually have some max back. Okay. Max. How many I just lost again? There we go. I lost 11 max. Oh, but I say 11 forces. What does that mean again? Let's see. Really, I'm losing? Okay. So I'm losing actually some firepower. How many this times? Another 11? 224. 11. But that's not true. There's more than 11 I just lost, right? And I lost another one. No, I just lost seriously 11. Yeah. 12 better say. Yeah, okay. Even I lost actually 100k or something on these, another one. Or 30 coming up. Okay, he comes back as well. So I lost actually seriously 3 of them. Okay. Well, okay. I can handle that. Until level 20. Ich muss mal jemanden anrufen. Kleinen Moment. Did actually my force just grown up? From 1511115? And another... okay. But the fight is over, why? Huh. General, the event Randall in the Fog. Herzlichen Glückwunsch, deine Premium-Punkte und Randale Level 1 erreicht. Details, bla bla bla. Okay, that's cool. Ich wurde auch in der Welle 6 besiegt und ich wurde auch in der 5 besiegt. Die habe ich noch gewonnen. I think 2 times beyond actually than if you just been beaten up. Then it actually is over. Oh man. Let's do it automatical. So, I don't know, I just called actually someone, but it's not going with a cell phone. But I hear actually construction workers in the compound over there. Because I'm living nearby here. So thank you very much actually to have you. And I'm just going out of here. So have a nice time. And yeah. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Arigato domo. Gambarimasu. Somewhere else. Nobody needs your help. So I'll be over there already? Yeah, I'll be. Okay. Should be cool. It's actually 8,000 of them. Holy crap. That's cool. Alright. I'm out. Have a nice day. Catch you later then. At midnight. Oh, daddy, it's already midday. Alright. Have a nice time. Hold on, we're just making one thing here. One thing I just want to do. Alloy. Always alloy. Always alloy. 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 Some alloy. Alloy. Here we go. Alright, that's it now. I'm really going. Thank you very much. We have right now... what is it? They say 11.5. We got 12.5. Right. So I'm going. Have a nice time. Thank you very much for watching here a little while. Bye bye. Bye.